Let's create this beautiful Republic Day nail art using a technique called stamping. To get started, we're going to pick up this gorgeous stamping plate which has all the designs that are perfect for our theme, that is Republic Day. Make sure you clean the plate with acetone before using it and in between uses. Take a blue stamping polish and coat the chakra design with it. Hold the scraper to a 45-degree angle and firmly but swiftly scrape the excess polish away. Now take a jelly stamper and roll it once over the design to pick up. The best way to do it is doing it in a rolling motion. Remove any excess bits of polish from the stamper using sticky tape or scotch tape. Then you have to just roll the design onto the center of the nail. For the next part of the nail art, you need to pick up a few dotting tools and you know where to shop, ILMPpolish.com. Using an orange polish, apply a few dots of various sizes on top of the nail. Add a few more dots using another shade of pink or orange polish to give it a nice contrast. Repeat the steps on all your other nails. You can also add a few dot designs with green polish, and there you have it, a simple stamping nail art that is perfect for Republic Day. For more such amazing content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and you know where to shop, ILoveMyPolish.com.